happened?
I don't know. Look at that. Look at this.
Sitting here for 5-6 hours at least. So save your gas.
Southern Ontario woke up to a dumping of snow that fell Monday morning as a major historic winter storm swept through the region. Just after 7:45 a.m. Monday, Environment Canada put the city of Toronto and Hamilton under a blizzard warning, shortly followed by other surrounding GTA regions. At around 11:30 a.m., blizzard warnings in Toronto, Peel, York, Durham, Halton, and Hamilton regions were lifted. Ottawa area now remains under a blizzard warning. Snow accumulation of 40 to 60 centimeters is expected in the hardest hit areas, such as the GTA, Environment Canada said. Wind gusts of up to 60 kilometers per hour caused blowing snow and reduced visibility, the weather agency continued. Other southern Ontario regions are now under winter storm or snowfall warnings. Environment Canada said there were peak snowfall rates of 8 to 10 centimeters per hour this morning in Toronto, with a little less in other cities. Toronto police had to temporarily shut down the Gardiner Expressway and Don Valley Parkway. The closure was to get cars off the expressways and to get plows in to clear the roadways, police said. Drivers out on the roads have told Global News they had to shovel their cars out or got stuck in the snow. One man in a Ford F-150 pickup truck said he got stuck at least 4 times and was waiting on a friend with a bigger truck to help get him out.
This guy is a champ. He's walking it. He's walking it. Go, delivery guy, go. Oh my God. What a guy. Getting the job done. Oh.
Okay, Amy, come on, come on. Come on.